It's Jonathan from Equipmart, your online retailer for pressure washers, cleaning equipment, parts and accessories. Here we have a turbo nozzle. This connects into your trigger gun on your pressure washer, so it's a turbo lance. If you look at the end there, you can see that it's quite a bulbous end. The way that they work is there's an internal nozzle which, when the water goes in, is forced to the end of the bulb, and it basically spins. So as the water comes out of the nozzle, it comes out as a spinning needle jet. So it's a very, very fine nozzle, but it rotates as it comes out, so it's very aggressive. So if you want to use it for cleaning your patio or your driveway, use this turbo lance. This is the answer. It'll improve the performance and the power of your pressure washer. This one's rated up to 160 bar pressure. You'll notice at the end there, this one's got a Lavor bayonet connector, but we also supply it with a Karcher bayonet connector. So this turbo nozzle will suit the Karcher machines and the Lavor machines as well. So that's the high pressure 160 bar turbo nozzle from Equipmart.